right, now let me come back with the white, and I'll take a little white here, just beat it up, and put a little bit of water right in this area. Okay, take this, pull into a ball, roll it this way a little bit, and then just pop it right in here like that, and then just very gently press it out. Now this and this is the most fragile part of the cookie, so be careful when you press. Now this is the part that would be the, like basically the branch of the topiary. So I'm going to take this tool now and just draw some little lines in it, like that. Straighten that up a bit. And then do the same thing down here. And then I'll take the white and roll it out. Now this, I want to keep it fairly thick because I'm going to be using a rolling pin that has pretty deep texture. This is a basket weave rolling pin, and I got this from Fiesta Cake Supply. My friends Christina and Diego, they own that, and that's in Hollywood, Florida, down by Miami. They're always at all the shows, ICs and everything like that. You take it like this, place it on top, and just roll it out. Look how deep and detailed that is. Gorgeous. Take this, and this is the part that I need here. Take it, pop it on, cut. Cut this off here, and then pick this up. Little water on the back, and place it right on top. And there we go. It's just so cute already. Okay, now I'm back with these. They've been in the freezer just for a few minutes, and see how I can just pop these out now. What I'll do is I'll just pop them on. They could have been in a little longer, I guess. They usually come out a little easier, but I'm a little impatient. So I'll just fix that little piece that I broke there. And I'll just put them on the parchment there because they need to come back to room temperature, because they're going to be a little cold now. Okay, now going back to this, I'll take my dusting powders here, and I'm going to need a new brush because I messed that one up with the blue. Back to the pink, again the same zinnia pink, and I'm just going to dust a little here on the bottom. And then I'm going to come over and get this one here. Is called light green. So I'll take some of the light green and dust the eggs. This is a luster dust also. You can see it has a little sheen to it. And then I'm going to take some of this brown here. And this is just called brown. And this is a Petal dust, so it's a matte dusting powder. I'll take some of that down here on the paper like I did with that purple earlier. And I just want a little brown in this area here. I don't want it too dark. And then I'll go ahead and take these bows. Since that's still wet, this will help stick. One there, one here right below the eggs. Okay, and then I just need to paint with my gold. Oh, let me get my roses on actually also. Little bit of water right here in the middle, and then the small one up top. And then I'll get my gold ready and we'll finish that up.